out a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Oh, there they are. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. You will never guess what I just heard. Bozer's going off site. And he's put Carl in charge.
And the problem with that would be?
Don't you remember the last time Carl covered for Bozer?
Oh, I'm frightened.
Look. All that happened miles ago. Carl's probably top gear at being in charge now.
Oh, don't put me in charge, boss.
What's that, Carl?
Don't you remember what happened the last time?
The last time. Let me see. Oh, well, yes, but there's been a lot of water under the bridge since then, Carl.
Not that particular bridge.
Ready, Bozer? Yes, lad. Now listen, Carl, don't worry. Everyone knows what they're doing, so I'm sure there won't be one single problem.
Oh, no. Oh, please, let there be no problems. Maxine, are you all right? Any, problems?
If Mr. Problem comes a-knocking, he won't find me home. Hold your horsepower a second. Why are you asking? Bozer hasn't put you in charge again, has he?
Oh, Maxine, I'd be fine if there were no problems. But when that happens, I just go to bitsies.
Okay. Let's get to the back end of this. Is there anything that makes you feel more relaxed?
Well, watching Mr. Roundy swing to and fro usually does the trick.
Well then, get that bally of yours swinging and calm. Swing.
Calm. Swing.
Calm. Swing. Try to stay cool. That's the thing. Bad situations are a thing of the past. All those calamities over at last. Calm. Swing. When you feel calm, you can do anything. Don't think disaster is just round the bend. Take a deep breath and your worries just end. Carl, keep calm. Carl, keep calm.
Phew! Job done and no problems.
Come on, let's go before Carl comes to check on us.
With equipment?
No!
And here comes Carl.
No!
The new little machines. Any, problems?
Absolutely fine.
No problems at all.
Yes, we certainly haven't left our equipment on the other side of the fence.
Scooch!
Oh no, that's a problem. Mr. Problems in the building! Oh, excuse me while I have a little think. Oh, what a
Where's he
problem.
going?
Don't know.
Calm.
Shall I go and see what he's doing?
Yes.
Swing.
Go on.
Swing. Calm. Okay. Maybe there's a gate in the fence, or maybe I should pull the fence up with my hooky. Or maybe I shouldn't use my hooky at all. I think I got it.
Carl will be okay, won't he, Lug?
Oh, yes. After what happened the last time, I'm sure he wouldn't do anything silly.
What exactly are you doing, Carl?
Well, I thought I would dangle Scooch over the fence, yeah? Then he can scoop up the equipment.
But Carl, he's a dumper. He can't scoop.
Excuse me. I need another little sink. Oopsie doopsie.
I expect everything's going to be fine.
Yes, it wouldn't hurt to go just that little bit quicker, though, would it?
Possibly not.
Right.
Dig, little digger. Dig like you've never dug before.
This ground seems a bit sludgy. Oh, no! I'm stuck. Oh, no!
Be careful, Carl.
Swing.
See, Bozer? Everything's just... Oh, no.
Bozer, I am so sorry. Putting me in charge was an absolute...
Triumph!
What? Triumph?
There's an old gate in this bush. We can go through and get the equipment.
A gate. Why didn't I think of that?
You did. It was the first thing you thought of. I heard you.
So I can think of solutions to problems.
Of course you can, Carl. The trick is to pick the right one. I'll leave you to sort this out.
Oh, thanks, Bozer. So what I do is to pull Diggs out with my grabber, and we'll all go round to the gate and get Scooch on the equipment.
Oh, sounds good to me.
Oh, good. So that is what I shall do.
Unless it would be better if I...
Oh,
Okay. You don't think I should have some little swings first?
No.
2 swings.
no!
How about 1 swing?
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.